This is a popular Middle Eastern dish consisting of fluffy spiced rice and protein-packed lentils and lots of crispy salty onions. I love to serve mine with a simple yogurt salad. To start with, slice 3 large onions into thin slices and fry them in 2 to 3 batches in vegetable oil on a medium heat, making sure you stir them frequently so they cook evenly. Keep an eye on your onions because they can burn quite easily. When your onions are golden brown, drain them and place your onions on a paper towel lined plate to soak up any excess oil. Allow them to cool, and during this time they will become crispier before sprinkling with plenty of salt and tossing that salt through your onions. Set your onions aside and grind whole cumin and coriander seeds. I don't recommend pre-ground spices for this recipe because they won't be as fragrant and tasty. Toast your spices on a medium heat until they smell fragrant before adding some butter or ghee and your pre-soaked and washed rice. Allow your rice to fry for a minute before adding the rest of your spices such as allspice, cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper and salt. Give that all a good mix and add just enough water to cover your rice plus an additional centimetre. I prepared my lentils by pre-soaking and washing them before allowing them to simmer until they were soft but not mushy. They should still hold their shape. Drain and rinse your lentils before adding them to your rice and give it all a good stir before bringing your dish to a boil. Cover it with a lid and reduce it to a low heat. Cook for 20 minutes, remove from the heat and allow it to continue steaming for a further 20 minutes, which will just allow your rice to become extra fluffy. When your dish has rested a little, gently fluff up your rice and pile plenty of that delicious fluffy rice into your dish. Scatter with half of your crispy salted onions and gently mix it through before dishing out more of your rice and adding an extra handful of crispy onions. I love to serve mine with a fresh yogurt salad, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.